Give me any beat. Give me any beat.
And I'm gonna put them. Ooh, I don't know if I can. Actually, I have to really go over. Woo. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, that doesn't look good, y'all, right? It throws it off too much for now. I love that picture, y'all. That picture, it's like, that's the one. Like, if I'm in a burning building and I need to save something, that is the picture I'm saving. But it'll just sit there for now. Can y'all even see it? Oh yeah, you can see it right there. But, so we have the laundry hamper. Oh my gosh. So, there is a plug back here. What I need to do next. Oh, that's cute. Look! I just put this on here. That was cute. I didn't even mean to. I don't think so. Anyways, I need to get an extension cord. So I want it to run under here, probably attach it to the wall right here. Can y'all see? Right here. I want one that attaches to the wall. So that way when I need to iron in here, I don't have to take this. I can, but I don't have to. I can just iron right here. And then I fold right here. So that's one of the perks of having this dog crate in here, is it serves as a reason of why I need to have all this stuff. But yeah, so basically how I thought it was gonna go, that picture would be up there, my iron would be on this thing, and then all of this would be clear. There's a lot there's a lot on here that I really don't want on top of the counter. I really just want it to be folding space, but I can't really put too much on top of the washer machine right now because it's just open space and it gets dusty. So until we can get someone to come and frame this out, this is what we have for now. Okay, y'all, this is the aftermath of my office. It is looking harder than this, but that's okay because my porch looks good. I need to fix that pillow right there. But okay, let me give y'all a little update, and then I gotta go. My daughter has a performance tonight. But this is my new desk. I did not record putting it together. That's okay. I'll link it down below what it's called. But yeah, I just have a little bit here and there. But I wanted this desk, and then I'll show y'all really quickly. Well, I'll show y'all later because my husband's in there, but I'll show y'all what I did with my old desk. But this was a bookshelf that was upstairs, so I just brought it down here. It's gonna brighten up the space. Walls are gonna be white. This wall is gonna be pink, like almost like these color pinks. Okay, this is the desk. But this was all the stuff that was in my old desk. So I really need to get some of this stuff. What? I need to get some of this stuff organized and put away in boxes or whatnot. And then I need to get like a little rolling shelf thing. And I'm gonna put this stuff in my husband's closet. That, I don't know where that's gonna go, but we'll see. But yeah, so we're about to figure some stuff out. But I also have to clean out my husband's closet. The couch, it just looks so good. Like that right there with this. It's coming together. Oh my gosh. So excited, y'all. Alright, so anyways. I need to clean out my husband's closet in his office because that's where some of this overflow stuff is gonna go. I forgot this what is this called? File cabinet. I don't think I want to keep it in here, but I'm trying to decide how that's gonna work. So I gotta figure that out because I don't have anywhere to put my stuff that's sitting on top of the file cabinet. So I need to clean out my husband's closet. I need to then clean this up. The stuff on the floor here. Move some of this stuff into his closet once it's clean. Paint the walls. Pink, white, like all the other walls will be white. This one will be pink. Where the couch is gonna go. The couch got delayed, so it's probably not gonna be here until December. It's kind of sucky, but whatever. Meat on the floor because I don't have the couch yet. But I have my French fries, cheeseburger, and ketchup on the side, so I put up some. I got my jug of water. Let me get y'all caught up on what's been going on because I missed 2 weeks of videos. Today is Thursday, so there should have been a video today, but there's not. So basically what's going on is last week was my birthday on Wednesday. I do have some birthday footage, but I didn't, you know, prepare and edit the video on Wednesday. My birthday was the 18th. So on the 19th, when there should have been a video, I just didn't have one. And then this week, y'all, it's just life. And I don't feel comfortable saying it on YouTube right now, but basically just some things just hit the fan and just dealt with them. Took a couple hours off work this morning just for my mental state, just to gather my feelings. Took a good shower. Dressed up cute just to make myself feel better because I was down there. I was like down there. So picked myself back up and just kept trucking. I can, you know, just feel different things pulling at me to try to bring me down, but I'm trying to stay strong and yeah, stay positive because that's really all I can do. I mean, I could be depressed and lay in bed all day and, you know, have the consequences of that, or I can keep trucking and look for the good in the day. So that's what I'm trying to do. I got my desk and I absolutely love this thing. Y'all, it was $80 on what's that place? Amazon. $80 on Amazon. Took me about maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes to build it. It's good quality, and my favorite piece about it is it's compact. So before, my desk would carry over past the, like where these boxes are, it would be right there. And so I just had all that extra, and I mean, it's not that much. It's maybe about a foot, maybe a foot and a half difference, but that made a huge difference in the way that my office is flowing. So this is my work section. This little area right here between this little bookshelf and my desk is my work section. The rest of my office is me, like what I want to do. So what I really wanted was to put a mirror right here, but that wouldn't work because it would just I'm thinking walking in through my double doors and seeing a mirror, it would look really, really nice. But I felt like the bookshelf, one, it was free because I had it upstairs, and it really wasn't serving a purpose up there. It was just there. So that was one. Two, I like the divide that it creates, and it literally is dividing, and I can use it for all this stuff on the floor. I just need to go find some little storage boxes to put the things in. But once I do that, I can just put it up there and have my like different categories, because before I had like a little drawer. Okay. So in next week's video, I'm gonna tour my husband's office and I'm gonna clean that out. Hopefully, I should be able to get that done next week. I think that's very doable. I'm getting his office cleared out. There's some furniture pieces that I'm taking to my mother-in-law. So that'll clear up a lot of space. And then yeah, just get rid of stuff in there. And speaking of the couch, they had the nerve to delay it. And they didn't, so it was supposed to be finished between October 24th and November 7th. And they told me yesterday, so today's the 26th, they told me yesterday it was the 25th. I'm like, man, I really wanted my couch. But I'll be patient. It is worth waiting for, and it gives me time because I was not ready. Like if it was here next week, obviously, I'm not ready.